My name is Hansi Stephen. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm a Zimbabwean. I'm 25 years old. I work as an engineering mechanic at a mine. It's called Otterton Mine. It's down in it's in the other side of Zimbabwe, but in the Midlands side. Yes. I've got a problem I was facing. I was hurt in a serious injury. I was stabbed with a knife. One of my workmates as well. This was my workmate, a friend of mine. Stabbed me one into my shoulder and the other into my lower back of my spine.
My name is Elvis Paul. Hansi has become like a son to me. He works under me at our company in Zimbabwe. But since he had his accident, he became like a son to me. I've been with him now for the past 4 months. And when it happened to him, his condition was not so good.
Well, I went for, that was in, I think it was on the 10th of May this year, 2014. The doctors in our country, they all did tried their best. They said I need to go for an operation on my spine. They said to me there's discs that have moved, something like that, but they couldn't figure out what was the main problem. I've been in hospital for 3 months facing this injury, just laying in the bed. I couldn't move, nothing, everything was just gone. I had no power at all, just weak. It affected my legs and mainly my back was the one that was the main injury, because I was feeling a lot of pain.
But we saw that he needed extra care. The doctors in Zimbabwe wanted to operate, but we were not keen on that, and we decided we need to seek for a second opinion out of the country. And that's how we hooked up with Manipal Hospital. And when we got here, we had great expectations because the CDs that we sent of his MRI scans and the response we got, we were excited about it. But when we got here, they did re-investigations and they picked out that he had infection in his spinal cord. And the doctor said it is impossible for them to operate. We then went to plan B, and that was to introduce him into physiotherapy and stuff. I must say that for my expectations, it is because I know from the time he has improved tremendously in a lot of the areas. We know the battle is still a long road, but the signs show that there's great improvement.
They gave me treatment. Well, I can see it's working and it has improved into my body. I can feel like I'm quite strong, I'm quite healthy. Most of the things I can do, and I can cope. Well, they explained to me properly how it is and how long it will take. Like, as for the kind of injury I'm facing is to do with a sciatic nerve that has been cut up. So they explained to me, and I've got it in now. They said to me it will take actually a year for it to recuperate together and join. Well, I'm very positive about what they say, and I'm very happy about the doctors and the physiotherapist also. I didn't know how to do most of the things that he has taught me. I've learned a lot, and patience. Well, my physiotherapist doctor, his name is Dr. Geriatrics. He was helping me a lot in the physio side. He's teaching me how to be patient and how to control my mindset, all those, certain kind of things. And it was very good because I've learned a lot from him. And the doctor that gave me all the medication and the treatment was Dr. Pramod Kish. Yeah. He's a very good doctor. He's explained a lot about this injury of mine to me, and I understood it. Yes, I took him properly. And online he's a good doctor, and I enjoyed myself in Manipal hospital. That's good. Everything was alright. The nurses, they were good, they were taking care of me. It's just such a blessing to be in a place like this, where everything, the treatment is just right. Everybody, they care for you a lot, like the nurses. They are very good. They looked after me. I looked there. It was nice in Manipal.
I just like to say to all the Manipal staff, thank you very much for all that you did for us. We really appreciated what you did to the people of International, the welcome when we got, the care that we got. Everything was excellent.
I've been doing some researches about it. It's all to do with how the condition, or what kind of condition I was in. Well, they say it's such a blessing to see me alive.
When I go back to my country, we are definitely going to put Manipal on the map. We like the setup, the care, and I had a fellow friend that came here, and the results were also good. I am going to recommend Manipal to all, because you cater for all departments of the human body, all parts.